Hello everyone, Jaimit here. Very excited. Today I received my AWS Community Builder Year 5 swag kit. We are going to unbox it live. My kids is doing unboxing. Here Jill is doing my AWS Community Builder Year 5 awesome swag kit unboxing. Received it from AWS Community Builder team today. Very excited about to see how it's look like Year 5 AWS Community Builder kit. Here we see we have a awesome kit inside this box, and this my small Jill is doing unboxing for this. Very excited about it. Wow, it's a looks like something exciting coming up inside this Year 5 AWS Community Builder swag kit. Little Jill, little junior AWS Community Builder doing this unboxing. It seems like awesome laptop stand, and oh wow! Wait, there are lots of exciting swag inside this. We have this amazing Year 5 badges. Little Jill is unboxing AWS Community Builder exciting Year 5th kit. So here this is a really amazing things like wonderful message from community manager and program manager Jason Dunn. You see, like, this is a really unique message for Year 5th badge. So this is a very unique and awesome thing inside this swag kit. Unboxing by Little Jill. Really exciting things. You can see this is a amazing Year 5 AWS Community Builder badge, and this is a really high quality badge. You can see, and we have this another badge, Year 5th. One more. So yeah, here we get all the formats of Year 5 exciting badges, and that we are in unboxing it. You can see there are more things are coming inside this box. Let's open that and see like what exactly it is. And it is seems like high quality cool items this time and every time. Wow, so this is something really exciting to use on my daily way on my working desk, to use a stand for the mobile and laptop. So this is a really amazing item unboxing this time. Wow, this is so amazing. We can see like AWS Community Builder and also the Year 5 with this. This is one more AWS Community Builder Year 5. So exciting item, and this is a really high quality laptop stand inside this AWS Community Builder Year 5th swag kit. So exciting things, and this is not just items, but it is encouraging us a lot to be share more and more learning things with this exciting AWS community around the world. Little Jill is unboxing this. You can see this high quality AWS Community Builder swag kit laptop stand. There is one more badge Jill found inside this box. So amazing things. We unboxed this AWS Community Builder Year 5 swag kit, and there are a lot of things inside this box, and Jill helped me to unbox these things. So please like this video and share to be encourage everyone to join AWS Community Builder program. This is a really exciting opportunity to do the networking, sharing things, learning, join the webinars, and share our knowledge to the Usam AWS community through our learning and joining in the program around the globe. It is a really great program supporting community around the globe to be part of learning and sharing knowledge. Thank you so much, Jason Dunn, and also the AWS Community Builder entire team for supporting always a community, diverse community from around the world. This is so amazing, AWS Community Builder swag, and wonderful thing is this. So amazing message for year 5. Thank you for sending this awesome swag, passing message. Everyone join AWS Community Builder program and learn and share your knowledge. Thank you, Jill, for helping to unboxing this. Thank you.
Hello, this is the Usam AWS Community Builder Swag Kit Year 5. Thank you entire team for sending this amazing swag kit for AWS Community Builder Year 5. Join this program for exciting journey. Thank you so much.